What's up, guys? This is how I look on an average workday. I'm a blue collar investor to the core of the word. I go to work 5 to 7 days a week and I put in 8 to 12 hours every day, depending on if I get overtime or not. I definitely value my money and work hard for my money, so I want to make sure that I keep my money. Alright, this right here, you guys know what that is, right? That's the stock market. That's my side hustle. Hold on. Let me get in the right attire to talk to y'all about that. That's more like it. Now that we're in perfect form, alright, let's get back to it. That right there, as I said, that's my side hustle. That is almost $4,000 in side hustle money from a blue collar guy from profits in the stock market. My simple style of investing is easy to grasp and is very low maintenance. I'm a simple long-term investor with the goals of passive income and steady growth. Check out one of my game-winning portfolios to see what I'm holding in my bag. I want everyone to see how easy it is to get a piece of the pie. It's so easy that even a blue-collar guy like myself can get his piece too. And if you don't follow my style of investing, that's cool too. At least you're investing. That's all. I'm happy with everyone just being in the game, even if you don't stay with my team. As long as we're in the league, we're gonna do great things. I appreciate you guys checking this short video out.